Here we are at 461 Silent Pond Park in Lavon, Texas. This is in the Lavon community, and we are getting ready to walk a HistoryMaker home. Now, this particular property is a cedar floor plan. So that is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-story, and a 3-car tandem style garage. You have a front porch and a beautiful front door. So let's go in and take a look. You have the luxury vinyl plank floors. You have your 3-car garage there, which we'll get to here in just a second, and a laundry room. You have your half bath downstairs for your guests, so they don't have to go to your primary or even upstairs. Beautiful kitchen space with a large island. This, you do have a gas oven stove combination, built-in microwave, and a walk-in pantry. This is your living room and understair closet for storage. Primary bedroom is downstairs, so let's go take a look at that. And it is in the back side of the home. And if you're looking for the particular dimensions, feel free to reach out to me. Happy to get you the floor plan with those dimensions, but you have a dual vanity sink, and then this particular model, you only have a stand-up shower, but it is a wide stand-up shower. This is your toilet area. And then a walk-in closet. Two built-in shelves for his and hers. Probably just all hers. All right, let's take a look. Now, the rest of the bedrooms are upstairs. So that is great for families who like that separation of having the kids upstairs while they're entertaining or just resting downstairs. So upstairs living area, it does have these iron rails and it overlooks the downstairs. Attic access, full bath. Now the bedrooms upstairs are a great size. Check out this bedroom. So before we go outside, I'm going to show you the laundry room. And for those who don't know what a tandem 3-car garage is, you're going to see how it looks. So tandem basically means on one side it is deeper than the other, allowing you to park a car in front of each other. So that's how it makes it a 3-car garage. This is your laundry. So walking in, as you can see, it looks like it's a standard 2-car garage, right? But then on this side, it goes in a little deeper, allowing for that 3rd car, so making it a 3-car. Still have your tankless water heater system. It is a ream and fully sprinkler system, front and back. So now let's go take a look at the backyard. Now, Lavon community is still a growing community. It is an HOA. You do have parks, walking trails with fitness stations, you have pools, you have fishing ponds, and a lot more amenities. Now here's your covered patio and the backyard. Fully fenced with a 6-foot wooden fence. So, if this is a home, if this is a floor plan that works for you and your family and your real estate needs, feel free to reach out to me. My number is 972-217-4948. Would love to show you this one or other ones. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube for more property walkthroughs just like this one.